Hey guys, George SoundTraxx. Today we're going to take a little dive into what's known as the Outdoor Throttle and what it is and how does it work for you. So let's find out together. So let's get started. Now when it comes to setting up your Blunami app, there's a lot of great features built into the app to help and designed to make it easier for you to understand and be able to get the most out of your decoder. A lot of times some of the DCC systems, it's not necessarily intuitive which buttons to press to access the higher functions, and then you have to remember which function button does this, which function button does that. The app allows you to lay it all out for you so that you can see which buttons you're pushing. So now with the summer months coming upon us, we're outside, we're running our outdoor railroads. We may need just a little bit extra control when it comes to running our trains, especially when it comes out in the sun. So the Blunami app has what's called a outdoor throttle mode, and what it does is it allows you to change the way that the throttle looks. Now granted, most of the time I can look at this, and with a standard throttle, as you see here on the screen, I don't necessarily need to look at it. I can look and swipe down, or swipe up and I can control the throttle and I can determine how many speed steps I'm going. But I don't need to be staring at my phone. And then when we change directions, we quickly take a glance, we change directions. And again, I don't need to be looking at my phone. I can throttle up. You can hear me throttling up all the way. And then as I bring it down, you'll see that the throttle is coming to a stop with a little bit of momentum. But when it's outside, we may have glare, there's other things going on, and it may not be as easy to find that green knob even with your thumb on there. So the idea of the outdoor throttle allows you to quickly swipe so that you can move the throttle up and down based on the swiping in the direction rather than individually either pushing the button up and down or having to find the big green knob. So let's go ahead and enable this. So we're going to go ahead and hit the gear setting, and we're going to go to general settings here. Now when we come down, we're going to see throttle type. We're going to go ahead and click the outdoor type, and apparently I haven't stopped my locomotive. So we're going to go ahead and go back. We'll bring this down to a stop. Now for this throttle to fully take place, we do have to exit out and then come back in. And now you'll see that the screen has changed. So now instead of trying to locate where the green knob is and swiping up, I can just swipe my throttle and you can see that I start to move, and I can swipe it again and it'll increase the throttle, and then I can just swipe down and it will then decrease the speed. Now, I can also swipe up to start moving in the forward direction, or in this case, the reverse direction. And then from there, each tap will increase the throttle. And you can see that it's starting to move a little faster. And the same thing, I can change this, swipe down, and then I can tap the button until I get all the way down to 0. It's going. And there it goes. Now, I do have a lot of momentum into this, so you can have a lower value in there so it'll be a little bit more quick response when you're using your throttle. Now, again, I can change directions. We can go ahead and hit the direction button, and again, we can swipe up to go forward. And you'll actually feel a slight buzz on your phone to let you know that it's working. And as it's working, you can see that now you have the control of it. And again, now that I'm moving, I can tap up and down, or I can swipe it down and then hit the stop to come to a stop. So really, it's just a different way of controlling the decoder based on your personal preferences. Me personally, I like the green knob myself. I can go in and quickly swipe it, and then I can quickly glance at it to see about where my speed is. But it's entirely up to you. This just gives you another avenue on a different way of controlling the throttle. I'd encourage you to try them out and see which one you like better, and then that way you can go back in and set your throttle up to be the same way. So again, go to General Settings. Here under Throttle Type, we're going to click Normal, and then we'll come back into there, and there's my throttle again. So now I can have quickly see what my locomotive is doing with the green knob. This is my personal preference, but I encourage you to try it out and see which one you like for yourself. Well, that's everything I've got for you this time. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you need any further assistance, give us an email at support@soundtraxx.com or give us a call, and we'll be here to answer your phones. We're Monday through Friday, 9 to 5:30 Mountain Time. So anytime you need help, give us a shout. We're here to help you out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.